Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Right now, precious metals are in the red, but not by too much. Right now, we see gold sitting around that $1,700 area, silver just below $18, platinum at $842, and palladium just above $2,000. Prices are still deciding whether they're going to go up or down. We're in this little limbo mode right now, I like to call it. But anyways, I have an article talking about why silver's on the cusp of a huge breakout. Another article asking, is the rally over or will it reach $25? Very good topics. I definitely think you're going to enjoy this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's see if this video can get 200 likes. Everyone, like the video right now if you love precious metals. Also, make sure you are subscribed and turn on post notifications because I post daily videos. So anyways, let's jump into it. So silver's on the cusp of a huge breakout. Next to gold, silver is the most malleable and ductile metal throughout history. This has made it an ideal tool for artisans to create symbols of wealth and prestige, forging it to fit any shape or design they can imagine. But now, as the world enters a new era of advanced technology, including solar panels, superconductors, and electric vehicles, silver's true potential is finally being understood. And that's along with 5G technology as well and many other things. Science has actually discovered a way to make silver 40% stronger without losing any electrical conductivity. So silver has the highest electrical conductivity of all metals. This makes its applications for the future of technological innovation nearly endless. And that's the thing, and when you're investing into something, you want to look at the future of that thing. Where is this investment going in the future? Does it look like it's going to be growing in demand or diminishing? Just like when you're investing into real estate. If you're looking at property value, you want to look at the future. Are they building schools in that area, or are they tearing schools down? Are they building shopping centers and malls, or are they tearing the malls down? That's going to determine if the property value is going to rise or lower. Same thing with silver. Does silver look like it's going to be needed more and more? Yes, as silver is the most highly conductive metal, no other metal performs like silver, and it's going to be needed more and more, especially as we advance in technology. So anyways, it goes on to say, but here's the thing. Because of the ongoing global pandemic, we're entering a historic silver squeeze. Just as silver demand is reaching a new height, production has all but stopped. Silver prices are on the rise, but any investor with the foresight to get in early may reap rewards. That's exactly why this glittering silver stock has caught our eye. This company is the largest pure silver producer in the world. If the price of silver takes off, watch this one closely. So I wanted to share that because it definitely hit the nail on the head of why silver has so much potential. Its industrial use, not only as the monetary metal, and not only as gold, because gold is more of a monetary metal used for safe haven, and silver can fit in that category too, but also has beneficial, another angle coming from it that gold doesn't have in its industrial uses. And especially when the economy starts to recover, silver is going to be needed more and more, and that's going to also push prices higher. So anyways, is the rally over or will it reach $25? It was an unexpected run-up, but also seems to have hit an unexpected bump. So here's the inevitable question. Is silver's rally over? Or is this slide of the past 2 days a mere blip on the radar run-up, or on a broader run-up that could reach $25 an ounce, as some think? And the 3 to 6 month time frame for silver is when it could reach $25. That's what I've been saying. 3 to 6 month range, mid $20 silver seems possible, especially if there's a second wave of the virus, 2020 presidential election, so on and so forth. And the 3 to 5 year range is when we could see $50+ silver, $100+ silver. So, silver futures on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange hit 9-month highs of $18.95 on Monday after a 5-week-long breakout that not many had anticipated, just as economies began emerging from the virus lockdowns. Since that peak, the benchmark July futures contract seemed to have lost its momentum, dropping to an $18.09 in the European trading on Wednesday. So the 4% slide of the past 48 hours follows a 27% rally since the week ended April 24th. So dual precious industrial role heightens silver's play. One of the metals with the unique ability to switch from precious metal to industrial mode as needed, silver could go a lot further than charts show. And that's kind of what I was talking about earlier. Given the pace of the rebound in the commodity markets since the depths hit on the back of this virus crisis, says Philip Strable, silver has to decide which hat is going to wear on what day. After the price drop along with gold and platinum on Tuesday, as the surge in risk appetite on Wall Street cost safe haven assets, including precious metals. The role and vision for silver by its investors will decide if it's going to $25 or $15 over the longer run. I'm still better on the higher end because of the anticipated pickup in manufacturing in the post-COVID world. The continued pumping of stimulus into our markets by the Federal Reserve could also make silver a buy and hold asset or a preserver of wealth like gold. Used in jewelry and silverware, tableware. Silver is also integral in the making of mirrors, dental, solder, and brazing alloys, as well as electrical contacts and batteries. Silver's past may give some worries, but silver has also had many false starts in the past. It struck an 11-year low of $11.74 on the COMEX on March 18th, just as the virus outbreak morphed into a global pandemic. And while some think of it as an erstwhile parallel to gold, the ratio of silver to gold, derived by dividing the current price of gold by that of silver, has actually worsened in the past 9 months. In September, it stood around 85 to 1, and now it's about 95 to 1. And that's actually much better because it was as high as 125 to 1. So silver has outperformed gold about 28 points. So as gold futures are up 13% on the year, while silver has only risen 2%, that's one of the highest readings for the ratio since 1991, when it reached almost 100 during the Saddam Hussein era Gulf War, when geopolitical concerns drove investors into gold. So first potential shot since 2016 for $20 silver. We remember the July 2016 highs of $21 silver. So notwithstanding all that, Strabel expects the global trend towards negative interest rates to form a powerful support base for dual role metals such as silver that could see a return of $20 per ounce that was last seen in 2016. If the white metal does get to that $25 level, it'll be the first time it has done so since 2013. The beta, or rate of exchange for silver when demand strikes, is going to be 1.5 to 2.2 times faster than something like gold. People will be hollering about market manipulation when they see this happen, but it's just the nature of the beast. On the demand side, about 70% of silver's use is already in electrical and thermal conductivity, and it might not be too long before the entire roof panel of an EV car like Tesla will be a solar panel with silver in its conductor. Technical holding markets up as well. Technically, silver seems in good standing to approach $20 per ounce at least. Investing.com's daily technical outlook has a strong buy on July silver with a max upside potential of $19.59 at the prevailing price. That's room for another 8% gain. Further on technicals, although the relative strength indicator for silver suggests overbought conditions that could see a retreat to May 20th level near $17.63, the market may lack enough bearish pressure to push it below the 200 daily moving average of $16.97, analyst Philip Panchal wrote in the column on FX Street. Panchal adds, if at all the sellers manage to break the 200 daily moving average on a daily closing basis, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of September 2019 to the March 2020 fall of around $16.60 can restrict additional declines. Meanwhile, the bulls' dominance in the past $18.39 will put them towards a multi-day old falling resistance line near $18.57, ahead of the heightened said channel's resistance of around $18.95. It is worth mentioning that the sustained rise in $18.95 enables it to refresh the yearly top while also probing the September 2019 peak of $19.65. So in worst case, $20 silver is likely before $15 silver. So Eli Tesfaye, metal strategist at RJO Futures in Chicago, agrees that Strabel's thesis that silver has room to run on the upside for now, but he contends with the view that negative rates will be supportive for silver, arguing that it will create a deflationary type of fear down the road as the Fed is pushing rates into negative territory where they will probably stay for a while. From a technical perspective, the weekly chart in silver is looking to continue to make new highs, Tesfaye said in an email to investing.com. In my view, silver will see $20 before it sees $15. In other words, the drive will likely have silver going higher before any major corrective price action. So He's talking about because usually when prices go higher, there is a small dip, a correction, a pullback. But he's saying it'd likely go to $20 before there is a pullback. So are we going to see $20 silver soon within the next couple months? That's what some are speculating. I think within the next 3 to 6 months we could see $20+ silver. I don't think it's going to go any higher than that. You know, I'm not going to mislead my audience. It got to be realistic, and it definitely has potential, especially with the given information, the facts, you know, the circumstances at bay with, you know, the virus, with the protesting, with the 2020 presidential election, with the political side of it, the industrial side of it, the safe haven side of it. Silver is sitting pretty. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you did enjoy this video, if you thought it was educational, informational, or at least just entertaining, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if the video can get 200 likes. The links to these articles will be in the description if you want to check them out yourself. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.